Good morning, everyone. This is my YouTube channel. My name is Priyanka. We learn this channel mathematics book of class 9. This is a textbook through NCRT. We solve all chapters one by one. We started chapter first. We understood the basic introduction of number system like natural number, whole number, rational number, like that. We also solve some statement. This statement is very important for the examination purpose. Also learn five rational number. How to find many type of rational number. We know that there are infinite many rational numbers between any two given rational number. If the question is given two numbers and said how many what is the possibility, how many possibility to find the rational number? It is infinite. 0 also a rational number, okay, because we can write 0 is the rational number because you can write 0 like that, 0 by 1. And the rule of rational number, p by q form, and first rule is p by q form, second said p q integers, and third said q not equal to 0. This is the three rule for the rational number for any number: p by q form, pq integers, and q not equal to 0. This is all three conditions are satisfied for 0. So you can say that 0 is a rational number. We learn all this statement how to find the rational number. In this statement also we solve every natural number is whole number. Yes, every integer is a whole number. No, because minus 2 is not part of whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. No, because 1 by 2 is not part of whole number. Next topic is irrational number. What is the definition of irrational number? Irrational number is just opposite of rational number. Irrational number is just opposite of rational number. Irrational number. It cannot be written p by q form, okay, where p and q are integer and q not equal to 0. If any number you say that it is irrational number, it means that a number cannot be written p by q form where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. A number cannot. This cannot is different from rational or irrational number. Rational number we can write this number p by q form, but irrational number we cannot write p by q form. Okay. You can see here repeating, repeating also known as recurring, terminating, and non-repeating, non-terminating. This is the three words you can see here. We understood, we will understood the meaning of, we understood the meaning of three words through some examples. Suppose that we take 2 by 3. We divide this 2. We know that we take 0 6 times 18. Again you take 0 6 times 18. Again you take 0 6 times 18. When you see this number is repeated multiple times, okay, 6 a digit is repeated multiples of times, so you can write this number like that. Bar, we call this line is bar. 6, bar on 6, because the digit 6 is repeated multiple times, then you take the bar on 6 digit. This type of question is, it's called, it is repeated, so you say this is the repeating, okay, repeating or recurring. Okay, the next question is question number 2. We take 3 by 2. We divide 1 times. We take decimal 0 5. 2 5s are 10. It is cut. After decimal, this number is completely divided. So the name of this type of number is terminating. Terminate. Suppose that a number is divided completely before decimal or after decimal, so we can say this number terminate. For example, 3, 1 by 5, we divide 1 through 5, we take 0 and 5 to the 10. Then this type of number, we can say 1 by 5 is terminate. And we take some other example like 7 by 22 by 7. We divide this number through 7. We take 3 times 7 3 is 21. 1, we take point decimal, we take 0. 1 times 7 3. Can you take 0? 7 4 is 21. Again 2 0. 7 2 is 14. Again 6 0. 7 8 is 56. 4. Again 0. 7 5 is 35. Again 0. 7 7 is 47. Again 1 0. 7 1 is 7 3. You can say that this type of number, you can see that this number is not repeated after decimal and not terminate. This is not repeated like 666 777, same digit is not come after and after and after, and not it is end, it is not completely divide after decimal. So we can say that this type of numbers like 1, 4, 2, 8, like that, it is not repeat. So use not repeating and not terminate, means not completely divide after decimal or before decimal, not terminate, not completely divide, not completely divide, so not terminate and not repeat, so use not repeating. This type of numbers we say non repeating, non terminating. We learn here three terms: repeating, terminating, and non repeating, non terminating. When a number is repeat like that 66677, we call it is repeat multiple times, then in name is repeating. It is and divide completely, so is terminating. This number is not repeat and not divide completely, so none repeating, none terminating. Okay, you can see here some questions. In this question, the question is say, which of the following are rational or irrational number? Q is rational and Q dash is represent irrational. Okay, before understanding this type of question, you understand this concept. After decimal, it is a rule how to check rational or irrational number. We see after decimal. If after decimal we take repeating or terminating, so this is the rational number. A number which is repeating after decimal or a terminate, it means completely divide. We can say this type of number is rational number. If a number is not repeating and not terminating, the number is not repeating like that 0.777 and not terminate, it is not divide completely, this type of number you can say irrational number. It is represent q dash and it is represent q, capital Q, capital Q dash. Now we solve this question. You see 1.6 after decimal, we see 6 is completely and ending, it is not changed multiple times, it is fixed. We can say it is terminate because it is completely divided number, it is terminate. This is the rational number. Next question is 15. It is also rational number. This number after decimal you can see 7. You can write 15 by 1, and this is satisfied a rational number of definition of rational number. So it is also a rational number. And 6.793. 793, it is the and, so it is also terminate, and terminating is so rational number. Again you see 6.793 bar also, the bar is represent a number is multiple times like 793 793 793 dot dot dot. 793 is repeated multiple times, so you take bar. These type of number we call repeating, or we know that repeating and terminating are called rational number. So this is also rational number. This is the completely divide, so it is rational number. 0 we can write upon 1, p by q form. P and q are integers, q not equal to 0, so it is also rational. And you can see that 2.609660099 dot 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 dot. This is not repeating, this is not terminate, so it is non-repeating, non-repeating, non-terminating, so this is the irrational number. The next question is pi, and this is pi by 7. You can see that this is the p by q form. Q not p and q integers, q not equal to 0. This is certain. This number, this number 22 by 7, it is satisfy the rule of rational number. So this is rational number. But we know that the value of pi is 22 by 7. This is a rational number. You can say this is also rational number. No. Why? Because we take 22 by 7. We take 22 by 7 for pi. It is not exact value of 22 by, we take for pi 22 by 7, but 22 by 7 is not exact value of pi. It is not exact value of pi, because we know that when you divide you get multiples of number after decimal. It is not and, not repeat and not terminate. We take 22 by 7 on the value of pi approx. Okay, that's the reason we know that this is the irrational number. There are two reasons. First reason, you can say 22 by 7, it is not exact value of pi, and it is not 22 by 7 is not exact value of pi, and value of pi is value of pi is not repeating, not terminating, so it is irrational number. Rational number. We know that repeating and recurring, also known as is also called